Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to increase and decrease font size in Google Forms. This is a fantastic way to make your forms more readable and visually appealing, whether you're creating a survey, quiz, or feedback form. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open your web browser and head over to forms.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the Google account where your forms are stored, as this will give you access to all your existing forms and the ability to customize them. After logging in, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard. Here, you'll see a section labeled Recent Forms, which displays all the forms you've been working on lately. Navigate to this section and click on the form you want to modify. This will open the form in the editor where you can make all your customization changes. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a toolbar with various options for customizing your form. What you're looking for here is the Customize Theme button. It's usually represented by a palette icon, and clicking it will unlock all the visual customization features Google Forms has to offer. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. Once you click Customize Theme, a panel will appear on the right side of your screen. This panel is your control center for adjusting the visual elements of your form, including colors, fonts, and font sizes. This is where we'll be making all our font size adjustments. If you want to change the font size of your form's header, locate the drop-down menu beside the header option in this right panel. Click on it and you'll see a list of available font sizes. Select your preferred size from the list. The header is the main title at the top of your form, so adjusting its size can really help it stand out and grab your respondents' attention. Next, if you want to modify the font size of your questions, find the drop-down menu beside the question option. Click on it and choose the font size that works best for your needs. This is particularly important because your questions are the core of your form, and making them clear and easy to read will improve the overall user experience. Finally, if you'd like to adjust the font size of the text in your form, look for the drop-down menu beside the text option. Click on it and select your desired font size. This applies to any additional text or descriptions you've included throughout your form, helping maintain consistency and readability. And that's it. You've successfully customized the font sizes in your Google form to match your preferences and improve readability. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.